Okay, so I am now halfway there to get the shaft fitted. As you can see, there's only maybe half an inch left to get it to the edge, and I probably need to get it like 5 mm past it to make a good fit. It is a bit difficult since the hole is not a standardized size or shape, and of course it's been rusted for so many years in the ground, so it's a bit difficult. I don't think I will be able to get it all lined up. Kind of is a bit of an angle on it. However, as I've said before, this will go on the wall, probably not be used. Whew. As you can see, it's kind of modified. Looks pretty terrible, just like this. Not sure. I shouldn't have taken off so much on the lower side here, because I'm afraid if I ever try to use it, I'm afraid it's gonna splinter. So get split or whatever. But I needed this. I need to use as much of the wide part as possible. So it was kind of necessary to take that much off. Okay. When I'm done fitting this, I have to sand it down because I need to get rid of this stupid stump that the producer put on here. And there was also a sticker here that I ripped off, and it left the glue on. Okay people, as you can see, I am starting to get there, but there is still a little more to go. I need to have it like maybe 5 mm more, so everything of the wood sticks out. It's a long job, it's hard, because the hole changes all the way in here. It's not the same on this side as it is on the back side, so it's a bit difficult to work with and find it out. I have to fit it and put it on and back off, and on and off and on and off, trying to get it fitted. One thing I've learned I'm going to do next time I do something like this is to try to make the hole more symmetrical before starting to fit the shaft. Other than that, it's not all straight. The X blade goes off a little bit to the left, I think, so maybe it's easier that way. Okay, so I'm now I finished up the the shaft to a point where I'm happy. You can see it can slide all the way into that point, and then I can hit it to the remaining 4 or 5 millimeters. So I'm happy with that. Now it's all I have to do is sand down the entire shaft and oil it as many layers as I can bother to. So, okay, I've now purchased some oil yesterday, and I've hung up the shaft of the axe in the roof here, and I'm just gonna oil it. So I've placed the bucket straight underneath it, so I can just apply as much as possible and it would just drip back into the bucket. I'm gonna apply as many layers as I can. Okay, I've now applied as much oil as I think is needed on this thing. It looks very nice and shiny with only oil, no hard surface, just the oil I used. And I put this the head on, and now I'm gonna put on the key. Hopefully everything will be successful. It's a bit of a nervous moment, to be honest. Where is the glue? There's the glue. I applied it like so in the crack. That's enough. I think. Maybe apply a little more glue. Just in case. Oh, so the key cracked. Wonderful. Next time, note to myself, next time don't use the key that comes with the shaft. It's a bit tighter fit on the bottom part here. I think it will be good. Okay, I think this will be as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna let this dry, and sorry, it's a bad light settings there. Just need to rotate the screen so I can see what I'm videoing. It's gonna be like that. I'm gonna let it dry and then cut off the key here and polish it down, make it look nice, and it looks good. It looks good. It was a nice and clean cut. Now I just need to sand down this bit and apply some more oil here, and it's more or less finished. Okay, so I've now sanded down the wedge here, and it looks okay. It feels good. Bit of a shame without a crack, but it will have to be okay. Anyhow, when this is hanging on the wall, this bit will not be the most visible feature. Okay, while I let this axe dry, letting oil, I will show you a few bits from future projects. I've got an axe head here. I found this yesterday. It's a very nice looking, kind of the same type as this one, only this bit here is shorter, more narrow. That's nice. Looking forward to put a shaft on this one. And I also have this one. Is a small axe I found a while ago. I've had it in my iron tumbler, so it's not too much rust to remove before starting the polishing. I need to clear the hole. It's got some dents here. I need to straighten them out or grind them off and clear the entire hole, make it symmetrical so we don't get the problem I had with the other axe. And so my axe is completed. Very nice finish. Looks good at the end. Looks pretty good all over. Nice finish on the handle. You can still see a very weak mark here where the odd stupid sticker was. But what can you do? Hopefully it will fade away over the years or blend in. Looks good. Very happy with the result. Very nice result. Very nice. I will not be using this in the field at all. It will be display only. I'm going to see if I can find a good wall to hang it on. Thank you for watching and follow this project, and see you in the next video.